Top 7 low-carb vegetables that can help you reduce belly fat. Hello everyone. Whether you're trying to lose belly fat, looking to maintain a healthy weight, or just want to make some better choices when it comes to your meals, today's video is all about making those choices a little easier. We all know that eating the right foods is essential, but when it comes to belly fat, we need to focus on what we put into our bodies, specifically those foods that help fight belly fat rather than store it. Now, the key is finding foods that are nutrient-dense but low in carbs, which not only keeps you full and satisfied, but also helps prevent those pesky sugar spikes that often lead to weight gain. Today, we're going to talk about 7 amazing low-carb vegetables that can help you reduce belly fat. So, grab a seat and let's get into it. Before we dive into the list of these incredible low-carb veggies, let's take a quick moment to understand why they're so powerful when it comes to tackling belly fat. Now, we all know carbs are essential for fueling our bodies. It's our primary energy source after all. But here's the thing. When we consume too many carbs, particularly those refined ones like white bread, sugary snacks, or processed foods, our bodies don't just burn that extra energy. Instead, it gets stored as fat. And guess what? The most stubborn of that fat? You guessed it? Belly fat. But here's the good news. Low-carb vegetables are game changers in this battle. They're packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, nutrients your body craves, without the added sugar or extra calories. The beauty of these vegetables is that they provide essential nutrients while helping you cut back on calories, all without leaving you hungry. In fact, the high water content in many of them not only helps keep you hydrated, but also helps fill you up, keeping those cravings at bay. So you get the feeling of being full, but without that bloated feeling. Even better, low-carb vegetables don't cause the insulin spikes that high-carb sugary foods do. Those spikes are what often lead to fat storage, especially around the waistline. So, by including these veggies in your diet, you're not just cutting carbs, you're also helping your body manage insulin levels more effectively, which can make a huge difference in the way your body stores fat. And that, my friends, is the key to reducing belly fat and feeling better all around. The first vegetable, zucchini. Let's kick things off with zucchini. Now, I know many of you might already use zucchini to make those trendy zoodles, but trust me, this humble veggie has so much more to offer than just pasta substitutes. If you're on a mission to cut back on carbs without feeling deprived, zucchini should be your best friend. A single cup of raw zucchini contains just about 4 grams of carbs. Yep, only 4 grams. That's incredibly low compared to many other vegetables. But here's where it gets even better. Zucchini is made up of nearly 95% water. That means it's not just low in carbs, it's also super hydrating. So while you're cutting calories, you're also boosting your hydration levels, which is essential when you're trying to lose belly fat. But the benefits don't stop there. Zucchini is loaded with powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, both of which are amazing at fighting inflammation. And here's the kicker. Chronic inflammation is directly linked to belly fat storage. So, by adding more zucchini to your diet, you're not only filling up your stomach, but you're also helping to fight off the inflammation that could be contributing to those stubborn love handles. Let's not forget about fiber. Zucchini is packed with it. A high-fiber diet is essential for healthy digestion, and it also keeps you feeling fuller for longer. This means you're less likely to snack between meals or give in to cravings. So, whether you spiralize it into noodles for a low-carb pasta alternative, toss it into a fresh salad, or sauté it with a little olive oil and garlic for a delicious side dish, zucchini is so versatile it'll fit into virtually any meal plan. The best part? It helps you reduce belly fat without that feeling of deprivation. Zucchini gives you volume and texture in your meals without the added calories, so you can stay full, stay satisfied, and still achieve your fat-burning goals. You can't go wrong with this water-rich, fiber-packed, nutrient-dense veggie. Honestly, once you start incorporating zucchini more often, you'll wonder why you didn't make it a staple earlier. The second vegetable, spinach. Now, let's talk about spinach. This leafy green has earned its place as a staple in healthy eating, and for some seriously good reasons. If you're looking to shed some belly fat, spinach should definitely be on your radar. A single cup of cooked spinach contains only around 6 grams of carbs, making it a perfect low-carb option. But here's where spinach really shines. It's packed with fiber. And fiber is key when you're cutting back on carbs, because it helps you feel fuller for longer. That means fewer cravings, less snacking, and more control over your hunger levels. But the benefits don't stop there. Spinach is a rich source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. Keeping your blood sugar steady throughout the day helps to curb those sudden energy crashes and prevent those intense cravings that often lead to overeating. But here's a cool fact that not many people know. Magnesium also helps reduce belly fat. How? Well, it helps manage your stress hormones, and here's why that matters. Chronic stress is one of the biggest contributors to belly fat because stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that tells your body to store fat, particularly around your abdomen. Spinach also contains a decent amount of iron, which is essential for improving circulation and boosting your energy levels. If you've ever felt sluggish or found it hard to get through the day, iron helps get your energy back up and running. And let's not forget, improved circulation means better overall health and metabolism. So, whether you're looking to boost your metabolism, reduce bloating, or just keep your appetite under control, spinach is an incredible vegetable to add to your plate. It's not only a great way to cut carbs, but also a powerhouse when it comes to keeping your body in fat-burning mode. And the best part? You can add spinach to virtually any meal, smoothies, soups, salads, or even sauté it for a quick and tasty side dish. The third vegetable, bell peppers. Now let's talk about one of the most vibrant and flavorful vegetables on this list. Bell peppers. These beauties aren't just a feast for the eyes, they're also a secret weapon when it comes to weight loss. You might be surprised to learn that a medium-sized bell pepper contains only about 6 grams of carbs. But here's where it gets really interesting. Bell peppers are packed with a range of nutrients that make them more than just a tasty addition to your meals. One of the standout nutrients in bell peppers is vitamin C, and I'm talking a lot of it. Just one medium-sized red bell pepper can provide you with more than 150% of your daily vitamin C requirement. That's right, this single vegetable can boost your immune system, improve your skin health, and most importantly, help with belly fat loss. But how exactly does vitamin C help reduce belly fat? Well, here's the key. Vitamin C helps lower your body's levels of cortisol, a stress hormone. High cortisol levels are notorious for contributing to fat storage, particularly around your midsection. So, by including bell peppers in your diet, you're actively fighting against this fat-promoting hormone. Think of it as giving your metabolism a little extra support. But that's not all. Bell peppers also contain capsaicin, a compound that has been shown to increase metabolism and encourage your body to burn fat more efficiently. This natural fat burner is often found in spicy foods, but you can get it from bell peppers, even though they're mild in flavor. So, they're a great way to give your metabolism a healthy, natural boost without overwhelming your taste buds. What's amazing about bell peppers is how versatile they are. You can throw them into a fresh salad, toss them into a stir-fry, or roast them with a bit of olive oil and garlic for a caramelized treat. The possibilities are endless. Whether raw or cooked, these colorful veggies are a simple and delicious way to enhance any meal while working toward your belly fat goals. The fourth vegetable, cauliflower. Now, let's dive into one of my absolute favorites, cauliflower. If you're not already on the cauliflower train, trust me, you'll want to be after this. This vegetable is one of the most versatile, low-carb, and nutrient-dense options out there. I mean, a single cup of cauliflower has just 5 grams of carbs. Yes, you heard that right, only 5 grams. But here's where it gets exciting. Cauliflower isn't just a vegetable, it's a game changer in the kitchen. Whether you're trying to cut back on carbs or just looking for healthier alternatives, cauliflower has you covered. You can swap it for rice, mashed potatoes, and, wait for it, even pizza crusts. Imagine having a low-carb pizza that won't derail your fat loss goals, or using cauliflower to make rice that's perfect for stir-fries, curries, or grain bowls, all with significantly fewer carbs and calories than the real deal. Now, don't think cauliflower's amazingness stops there. Let's talk fiber. Cauliflower is loaded with fiber, which is critical when it comes to managing your weight and reducing belly fat. The fiber helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, which means less bloating and a flatter stomach. Plus, it keeps you feeling full longer, which can help curb those annoying cravings that lead to overeating. But wait, There's more. Cauliflower also contains powerful compounds like sulforaphane, which has been shown to support fat loss and enhance metabolism. Essentially, it helps your body burn fat more efficiently. So, not only is cauliflower helping with digestion and giving you that sense of fullness, but it's actually working behind the scenes to support your body in reducing fat storage. And that's exactly why cauliflower needs to be a staple in your diet if you're serious about losing belly fat. Whether you're using it as a low-carb rice substitute, adding it to soups, roasting it for a crunchy snack, or even trying out a cauliflower pizza crust, it's an incredibly satisfying, fat-burning veggie you don't want to miss out on. The fifth vegetable, cucumber. Let's talk about cucumbers next, and I'm sure you'll love this one. Cucumbers are honestly one of the most hydrating vegetables you can eat, and the reason for that is pretty simple. They're made up of 95% water. That's right. They're basically a crunchy little water bomb, and when you're trying to lose belly fat, staying hydrated is crucial, because hydration helps reduce bloating and flush out toxins from your body. Now here's something even more impressive. Just 1 cup of cucumber contains only 4 grams of carbs and a mere 16 calories. That's right, 16 calories. So if you're trying to cut down on belly fat without feeling deprived or hungry, cucumbers are absolutely perfect. They're light, refreshing, and filling without weighing you down with unnecessary calories or carbs. But here's where cucumbers really shine. They help fight bloating. If you've ever struggled with belly fat, you probably know the difference between actual fat and bloating. Sometimes that puffy feeling around your stomach can be mistaken for fat, but in reality, it's just excess water retention. Cucumbers come to the rescue here because they're high in potassium, which helps balance out sodium in your body and flush out the excess water that can cause that bloated, uncomfortable feeling. This means you'll not only feel better, but you'll also see a flatter stomach in no time. What I love most about cucumbers, though, is just how versatile they are. You can toss them in salads for a fresh crunch, slice them up and sprinkle with a bit of lemon and salt for a refreshing snack, or just eat them raw, straight from the fridge. The possibilities are endless, and they're so easy to incorporate into your day, especially during the warmer months when you want something cool and refreshing. So, next time you're looking for a healthy, hydrating snack that won't wreck your calorie count, reach for a cucumber. It's low in calories, packed with water, and will help you stay full and hydrated while keeping your belly looking flatter and feeling lighter. It's a simple, effective way to cut calories, reduce bloating, and feel refreshed all at once. The sixth vegetable, broccoli. Broccoli isn't just a vegetable you throw on the side of your plate, it's a true powerhouse for belly fat reduction and overall health. When you add just 1 cup of broccoli to your meal, you're only looking at around 6 grams of carbs. Pretty low for such a nutrient-packed veggie. But here's where it gets even better. Broccoli is loaded with fiber, which plays a critical role in keeping you full longer. That means it helps you fight off those pesky cravings and reduces the chances of overeating, which is key when you're trying to lose belly fat. But the real magic in broccoli comes from a compound called sulforaphane. This little-known nutrient has been shown in research to boost your body's fat-burning abilities. So, by adding more broccoli to your diet, you're actively helping your body become more efficient at burning fat. It's almost like giving your metabolism a little kickstart. But that's not all. Broccoli is also a great source of essential vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, all of which are crucial for overall well-being. Vitamin C, for example, helps manage stress hormones, those sneaky ones that can contribute to fat storage around the belly, while vitamin K supports bone health and circulation. Folate, on the other hand, helps with cell repair and regeneration, making broccoli a key player in helping your body recover and stay strong. And let's not forget about the antioxidants packed into broccoli. These help fight inflammation, something that, if left unchecked, can slow down your metabolism and make it harder to lose that stubborn belly fat. Chronic inflammation is often linked to weight gain and bloating, but by reducing inflammation, you're giving your body the best chance to burn fat more effectively and shrink that waistline. So, whether you're steaming it, roasting it, or tossing it in a salad, adding more broccoli into your diet isn't just a small step for weight loss. It's a big leap towards better health and a slimmer you. The seventh vegetable, asparagus. And finally, let's talk about asparagus. If you haven't already made it a regular in your diet, now's the time. Asparagus is a low-carb vegetable with only about 4 grams of carbs per cup, so it's perfect for anyone looking to cut back on carbs without sacrificing flavor or nutrients. But it's not just the low carb count that makes asparagus stand out. There's so much more to it. First, asparagus acts as a natural diuretic. That means it helps your body eliminate excess water, which can be a major cause of bloating. If you've ever felt like your belly looks a little puffier than normal, incorporating asparagus into your meals can help you feel lighter and more streamlined. This also gives you that slimmer look because the water retention that contributes to that bloated belly is reduced. But the benefits don't stop there. Asparagus is packed with prebiotic fiber. Now, you might have heard of probiotics, the healthy bacteria in your gut, but prebiotic fiber is just as important because it feeds these good bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for efficient digestion and absorption of nutrients, which, in turn, helps with weight loss. When your digestive system is running smoothly, you'll be able to break down food more effectively and prevent that sluggish feeling after meals. Asparagus is also rich in folate, a B vitamin that helps reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation can slow down your metabolism and make it more difficult to lose weight, especially around the belly. By reducing inflammation, asparagus helps promote a more efficient metabolism and keeps things running smoothly inside your body. Whether you roast it, grill it, or sauté it with a bit of olive oil and garlic, asparagus adds a delicious, savory element to your meals. And it's so versatile. You can toss it in salads, add it to a stir-fry, or even enjoy it as a snack. So, if you're looking to reduce belly fat, boost your digestion, and feel more energized, asparagus is a vegetable you should definitely include in your weekly rotation. And there you have it. 7 incredible low-carb vegetables that can help you reduce belly fat, feel more energized, and make healthier food choices. Each of these veggies brings something unique to the table, whether it's boosting your metabolism, reducing inflammation, or simply helping you feel full and satisfied without the extra calories. Remember, the key to a healthier body and a slimmer waistline isn't about drastic changes or quick fixes. It's about making small, consistent choices that add up over time. By incorporating these veggies into your meals, you're not just working towards a flatter belly, you're nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. So what are you waiting for? Next time you're at the grocery store, grab a bunch of zucchini, spinach, bell peppers, cauliflower, cucumber, broccoli, and asparagus, and start experimenting with these delicious, fat-burning foods.